This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to easily screen record on your Android devices. So a lot of times with your device you can just scroll on down from the top right and there will be an option for screen recording under one of these buttons. So we can just go to it. So I can find it under here, look up and down. It should say screen record, or you can look through the different options down here. So here it is right here. We can just hold down on it. It'll bring us to the screen record page. And here are the different options. We can adjust the resolution if we want high, low, etc. Display touch position. So these are the options. We can just go back to it now and we can just tap it. We should be able to turn it on. There it is. And one of the settings under here is including your microphone. So it says include your microphone, display touch, etc. So we can look at that. And then I have a Google Pixel phone here, and that's a Lenovo tablet. But there should be an option on here for screen record too. You can see start screen record. So most of your Android tablets will have some sort of feature for it somewhere on there. And then we can go to save, hit the little option to screen record, and I'm screen recording right now. So hit the red little dot when you're done, and then you can tap it over here. It should be under your files too if you don't tap it in time. So go to files. Should be in your videos now, should be saved in here, and here it is. So we can go to it and play it now. There's screen record, and I'm screen recording right now. So the microphone isn't the best. It sounds very echoey.
Hello,
but we can go and
just
just delete it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.